Need to quickly create a summary and send it to a colleague who speaks another language? My name is Veronica, and I created Verve AI Assistant, a tool powered by the Google Chrome built-in AI APIs that solves these kinds of tasks in seconds. The application was created to expand people's abilities in business communication regardless of language. In the future, it's planned to be ported to a Google Chrome extension. I have a great article about robot guides in Tokyo, and I need to quickly share the main ideas with my Spanish-speaking colleague Daniel. We'll use the Summarizer API to extract the key points. The short format might not be enough, so we'll choose long to get more detail for the message. In the interface, you can always see which action was used last. To keep working with the text, we click the button and move it into the editable area. Now we'll use the Writer API. In the shared context field, we'll add a note that this is a message for a colleague. The result is a nicely formatted letter. We move it back into the editor. We'll add some encouragement using the Rewriter API. In the settings, we choose As Is. And in the context, we add instructions for enthusiasm and emojis. We also enable the typewriter style output. We've got a warm, uplifting message about robots. The only thing left is to translate it into Spanish using the Translator API. Then we copy it and send it to Daniel. But what if I'm writing text myself and I'm not sure about its quality? Let's check my draft using the interactive Proofreader API. Verve AI analyzes the text and shows an error-free version in the results window. To see what kinds of errors we made, let's click Show Legend. It highlighted not only typos, spelling, but also grammar issues, punctuation problems, and even missing capital letters. I can accept corrections interactively. That way, I don't just get a perfect result. I learn from my mistakes. If you don't feel like typing or you want to know what language someone is speaking, just tap the microphone icon and say the text.
Olá, pode me falar sobre este robô?
The Prompt API transcribes the speech. The Language Detector API instantly determines that it's Portuguese. The text appears in the editing field and is ready for further processing. Now you just need to press Translate to see how it's rendered in English. Let's give the AI a more complex, creative task by combining text and an image. I've uploaded a picture of our robot guide. Let's ask it to describe what it looks like. Now we'll ask it to use that information to create a creative post. I enabled AI memory, so it remembers the conversation within the same session. Based on the image and previous discussion, Gemini Nano, the model behind the Prompt API, generates a one-of-a-kind post. To make it more creative and unique, let's increase the temperature. Look how warm the post turned out. We could specify right away in the prompt that the post should include hashtags. Ask AI lets you be the director, tuning the model's creativity and focus for any task, whether it's content generation, explaining ideas, or analyzing images. And all of this runs right on your device. Thanks to the hackathon organizers for the opportunity to be among the first to explore cutting-edge technologies. I invite you to my GitHub so we can grow this project together in the open source space.